So whenever you're trying to derive x raised to a certain power, you're going to have to use the power rule. So the formula for this is x to the n is equal to n times x to the n minus 1. So basically we have to bring the power down and subtract the power minus 1. So let's look at a problem y equals x cubed. In order to derive this using the power rule, we're going to have to bring the 3 down and subtract the power by 1. So we will do 3 times x to the 3 minus 1, which is equal to 3x squared. Now let's take a look at another problem, y equals 9x to the 6th power. In this case, we use the same power rule where we bring the power down and subtract the power by 1. So y prime, or dy dx, is equal to 9 times 6, because we brought the power down, times x to the power minus 1, so 6 minus 1. Then 9 times 6 is 54, and 6 minus 1 is 5. And finally, we have y equals 18x squared minus 5x plus 5. So in order to derive this, we're going to have to take the derivative of 18x squared. So using the power rule, bring the 2 down, subtract by 1. So 18 times 2 times x to the 2 minus 1 minus the 5x, derivative of 5x, which is 5, and then plus a constant, and the derivative of a constant, or 5, is always going to be 0. So we'll get 18 times 2, which is 36, x to the 2 minus 1, which is just 1. So you can just rewrite it as 36x minus 5.